Aave may decline 3.6% tomorrow, Gov Capital Collector reports. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. Aave has slipped by 1.4% today and is currently hovering around $62.08. We now turn to the analyst predictions. Based on Gov Capital Collector's data, the price could slide to $59.82 by June 10, a drop of approximately 3.6%. Aave could retreat towards $60.60 according to Traders Union, approximately 2.4% down. Digital coin price highlights it could edge upward to $63.25, marking a rise close to 1.9%. A different analysis from CoinLore shows Aave could progress towards $63.94, roughly 3% higher. To finish, 30 rates aims for $65.87 by tomorrow with upside of 6.1%. It's the top return call in this batch. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a drop of 3.6% to a rise of 6.1%. As a result, 30 rates is expected to post the highest return with 6.1% growth in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could earn between $19 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the odds, digital coin price leads with a 87.8% chance of success. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. Consensus analysis suggests Aave could end up near $62.70. Here's how it looks in detail. Consensus modeling indicates a 1% move higher. And on that same note, your capital could also increase by about 1%. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $10. Which adds up to a probability of about 91.9% for the consensus forecast to hold true. As we continue, let's check what analysts expect over the 3-day horizon. Gov Capital Collector expects Aave to fall. Additionally, Traders Union suggests bearish momentum will dominate. Digital coin price notes that Aave could push higher. Aave is likely to advance, likewise CoinLore notes. A bearish forecast is made by 30 rates, expecting losses. The consensus forecast signals Aave will remain under bearish momentum in the near term. Overall, 60% of forecasts highlight a lower path for Aave. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for the following day. Now that it's behind us, we can check the results. In the end, the day's last trade was around $63.47. Just one prediction got the direction right. The most accurate forecast was made by Gov Capital Collector. Time to organize the results. None of the 5 forecasts were within yesterday's trading span. As for Aave, only one analyst managed to show a positive return. Here's the daily overview. A simple summary of all results. Across the results, digital coin price recorded $3.76 accuracy, 70.6% forecast probability, and minus 2.2% ROI. Take a moment. Who do you think made the most accurate forecast? Now we're turning to the comparison of tomorrow's expected gains for Aave and other selected cryptocurrencies. At 4th place sits Aave. While Filecoin currently shows 2.5% potential gain, this section includes Aave and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended performance view is now on my website. If you'd like to stay one step ahead and understand what analysts expect next, subscribe now. See you when the next numbers come in.